Bunk bed curtains are a great recommendation for children's bedrooms and specifically for the twin bedrooms. They work as functional essentials for the bunk beds, while also enhancing the overall room decor. The most important thing to consider when buying bunk bed curtains is their build quality and durability. We provide high-quality, durable and affordable bunk bed curtains that can be easily customized according to your requirements. These curtains can be used for coverage purposes, segregation, partition and simply as a decorative element. Besides, these curtains also ensure a good sleep quality for your children, as they create a calm, comforting and trouble-free environment to rest in. Also, you can use them for blocking out excessive light and noise, thus making the rest hours completely free of disruption. Our bunk bed curtains are made from a quality yet plush and children-friendly fabric which is easy to clean, as well. We also provide easy installation guides for our customers. We are the leading manufacturer and supplier of bunk bed curtains in Dubai. Our team of skilled professionals will help you get the best product that suits your needs and budget. We have got a wide range of products from our renowned brand, including bunk bed curtains, kids bunk bed curtains, luxury kids bunk bed curtains and many more.